guys, welcome back to my channel Sparkle Baby. I'm Aditi and today I'm going to unbox Globox, and Globox is one of my favorite subscription box, and if you are a makeup and skincare lover, you are going to love Globox as well. Globox is a beauty subscription box wherein you get a combination of skincare and makeup for rupees 9.99 or less if you subscribe for a longer period, and you get 5 products every month and you can build your own box. Like, you can select whatever you want in your box, which is really very good. So it's just that you are not getting some unnecessary things which you never wanted. It's like you see the product and then choose them, which I personally like. And yeah, so this is how the Globox looks like, and this time I got products rupees 3050 rupees for just rupees 9.99, and I used a coupon code, so I paid lesser. So yeah, now let's get started with the unboxing. So this is the Globox and this is how it comes wrapped in. I have not opened it because I just received it an hour ago, and yeah, I wanted to unbox it with you guys. And the packaging of Globox is very good. Like, they have one of the best packaging, and this time I received my Globox very quick, and I think it has only been 3 or 4 days since I ordered it, and I have it here now. So yeah, this is how it looks from the inside. I told you the packaging is bomb, so I will just open it. Then again we have this thing here, so I will just remove it. So here we have some cards which I will just go through one by one, and here we have the receipt paper. So firstly we have a sticker card which says Globox, which is really nice, and then we have the card. So it says, "Hey gorgeous, thank you for shopping with us. Hope you had a fabulous shopping experience and enjoy your beauty treats. We cherish helping you find the best in beauty. Love, Team Globox." And this is the usual card which Globox gives every time you purchase the box. And then we also have the refer and earn card, so you can get 10% discount if you refer this box to your friend. So we have that, and then we have the share the love card. So you just have to click a picture of your Globox and tag Globox in that picture, and then you can win some surprise gifts. So yes, we have that. And then we have the receipt card, which I will just go through one by one when I show you the products. So the first thing that comes into my hand is this Pitor Poland Corco. This is a perfume basically. So yeah, this is how it looks. I really like the packaging, and it is for 1499 rupees. So this is how the perfume looks like. The packaging is really classy, and I will just try smelling it. The fragrance is very musky. I like the smell, and I'm really looking forward to try this perfume. So yes, we have the Pitor Poland perfume, and then we have this Nerf Pole Kajal, which is waterproof, and it retails for 249 rupees. And I really needed a kajal, so I got this Nerf USA Kajal, and this is how it looks. It is retractable, which is a good thing, and I will just swatch it to show how intense it is. So it is quite intense and smooth. So yes, here we have the Nerf USA Kajal. And then the third product comes really nicely wrapped in. So this is a liquid lipstick by Makeup Revolution London, and it is their Salvation Velvet lipstick, and it is in the shade Keep Trying For You, and it retails for rupees 700. So I will just open it and swatch it. So this is how it looks from the inside. I think it is going to be a very beautiful color. So this is how the color looks like. It is very beautiful red, and I really like the color. This is a blue based red and will work very beautifully with Indian skin tones. So yeah, I cannot wait to try it on. And then lastly we have 2 pressed glitters from TS Cosmetics, and so this is the packaging of the glitter, and they retail for 300 rupees each. And TS Cosmetics makes some amazing pressed glitters. Like, they are famous for their glitters. So the first shade I got from TS Cosmetics is Rose Gold, and the second shade is White Gold, and this is how it looks. I will swatch both of them. This is the White Gold one, and this is the Rose Gold. So first I will swatch the Rose Gold. Oh, just look at the pigmentation, you guys. Like, it's beautiful. Like, you see both of them, It's amazing. Prettiness, you guys, it looks so pretty. Cannot wait to try it. Oh my god, such prettiness. Because they are pressed glitters, you would not need to apply a glue underneath and all that mess. So yeah, it is quite convenient, and I'm happy and impressed with both of the shades. They both look stunning, and I will just try smudging the Nelf Kajal to see how it works. So I tried smudging the Nelf USA Kajal. It did not smudge much, and I'm so sorry, I have glitters all over. And yeah, I really like the Kajal as well. I think it will work fine on the waterline. So yes, we have all the products here, and Globox retails just for 9.99 rupees, and all these products are total worth of money. Like, I don't find anything which will not work for me. Everything is super good. I like everything, especially the glitters. I was eyeing on the TS Cosmetics glitters for such a long time, and I finally have them. So I'm really excited about them. And also the Revolution lipstick is beautiful, like just look at it. And I'm also looking forward to Nelf Kajal, and also this Pitor Poland perfume smells wonderful. So yeah, we have all the products here. Like, these were the all 5 products. They are full size, they are from premium brands, and I really love them. Yeah, so that was it for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And I will see you super soon in my next video. Bye.